Hello students, now we will be looking into question number 32 from our handout. This question was asked in GATE 2016 in set number 2 for a 2-mark question. So I am reading the question. Consider the following two process synchronization solution. There are two process B0, process P1 is there, and look this. The intention of these two process to access the critical section. They have entry section. What entry? Loop while turn equal to 1 semicolon. If this successful happen, then enter the critical section and exit, make it turn equal to 1. Similarly, code for process P1 they given. And what they are asking here, the shared variable turn is initialized to 0. Initial value of turn equal to 0. And which of the following statement is true? Option A is they are telling this is the correct two process synchronization solution. Option B, this solution violates the mutual exclusion requirement. Option C, the solution violates the progression requirement. Option D, the solution violates the bounded weight requirement. And which of the following statement is correct, that we need to observe. So by looking this algorithm, please tell me it is equal to dash algorithm. So far we have discussed disable interrupts, lock variable, strict alternation. Yes or no? We have seen. And you tell me now, this given question is exactly equivalent to one of the algorithm. Initially I told you this IPC synchronization is very important topic for GATE, and many questions we can observe. They may frame a question equivalent to one of the algorithm, one of the synchronization mechanism, or little modification they can do, and they will ask which of the following statement is correct. And these questions easily solvable, only you need the proper understanding of the concept, like how mutual exclusion is going to guaranteed, how progression is guaranteed. You must be very clear about the definition for mutual exclusion and progression and bounded weight, which I have already discussed. So let us trace out this problem. Which of the following statement going to be correct? Look, all of you. So what this? There are two processes, right? They are access the critical section. First, we need to ensure whether it is satisfying the mutual exclusion or not. For which I am telling how we can ensure the mutual exclusion. For which you have to do. Allow one of the process into critical section. Allow it one of the process into critical section, and by keeping into critical section, apply the preemption, because we need to solve the problem, right? Apply the preemption. Then allow another process, try to access that. If the second process also is entered into critical section, then it is not satisfying mutual exclusion. If it is not allowed second process, when first process already in critical section held up and went outside. So if it is not allow another process, another waiting process, definitely this is going to satisfy mutual exclusion. This is the way we can ensure it. Yes or no? I told you very clearly, we need to design such algorithm that is must be satisfied mutual exclusion and progression, correct? And by applying what? Preemption, race condition, and presence of critical section. So all three conditions are occur simultaneously, then also that should be satisfy our requirement. Yes or no? Chalo, we will trace out. So please observe your tracing part. Look. So let's take in typical concurrent and preemptive operating system, there are two processes, P0, P1 is there. P0 is there. At time T0, suppose P0 is started execution. At time T0, P0 is started execution. What is the initial value? Turn value 0, correct or not? P0 started. What P0? It is you want to use the critical section. When it is want to use the critical section, you must run this condition, right? Entry loop. You have to loop it. This you have to loop. So loop, please do understand. Entry section what? Loop while condition until that becomes false. Now what is the turn value? So let me. So I am executing entry section. Okay. What is the entry section? Look, all of you. While turn equal to 1. What is the turn value currently? 0. 0 equal to 1. Is it true? No. 0 is not equal to 1. So condition is false or not? When this condition is false, process P0 can enter into critical section or not? Yes or no? See, turn value is 0, it is 1, its condition is false. When condition is false, it can enter into next level, because semicolon says this loop while nothing but you loop it this while condition until this become false. That you have to understand here. Semicolon is there. Now process P0 enter into critical section. Critical section, some instructions are there. It started execution. By holding critical section, if preemption is occurred, suppose inside preemption is occurred. So preemption occurred because this is the typical preemptive time sharing system. So after some time, let's take T1. So P1 got the chance for execution. So now P0 was in critical section. By holding the critical section, came out of the CPU. Now P1 started. P1 also want to use the access the critical section like shared variable. Now entry loop while turn equal to 0. What is turn value currently? Because P0 not yet modified the turn value. Same value is there. Turn value was 0. 0 equal to 0. Condition is true or not? Yes, condition is true. When condition is true, keep on loop. Keep on check this condition until the turn value changes. Now P1. So P1 entry section. So entry section, please do understand. Entry section will be busy wait only. Yes or no? Busy wait. Yeah. See, turn equal to 0. It is also 0. So now it is keep on checking because the condition is true. Now you have to check same again until it becomes false. Now see, please do understand. Already P0 is entered into critical section, and if preemption is occurred, if P1 tries to enter the critical section, that is not allowed. Correct or not? Because already one is there. So that means, can I say it is ensuring mutual exclusion or not? Yes, definitely. So I'll write it is guarantees mutual exclusion. Yes or no? It is guarantees a mutual exclusion, right? So we can think of one of the solution, one of the option. Now we need to think of whether it is satisfying progression or not. Whether it is satisfying progression or not. So as of now it is satisfied critical section, sorry, mutual exclusion. We need to think about progression. How to check the progression condition? What is the definition for progression? I told you. Whenever critical section is free, no other process which is running outside the critical section should not block other process. Correct or not? Let's take, let me continue. So now it is busy wait at time. So I'll continue at time. Suppose at time T2, if like timeout over, again P0 came. So P0 will run critical section and completes. So completes. After completion of critical section, it will run exit. What is exit? Make the turn equal to 1. So it will run exit section. Exit section will run and make the turn equal to 1. When you make the turn equal to 1, process P1 was busy wait under this loop, correct or not? So at time, I'll take at time T3, P1 will come and will check the condition entry section. So what is the entry section here? What is the entry section here? Entry section, look this. Now turn, what is turn value? When P0 got exited, it makes the turn equal to 1. 1 not equal to 0, correct or not? Condition is false. It will enter into critical section. Yes or no? It will enter into critical section. Suppose it is also runs. Suppose, so P1 also runs exit section. So make the turn equal to 0. Assume that it make the turn equal to, saying that it will go to other work. Now turn value almost 0. So suppose I am continuing here. P0 also wanted to use again critical section. What P0 will do? So entry loop while turn equal to 1. What is the turn value as of now? 0. 0 equal to 1. Correct. Condition is false. It can enter into critical section. Again suppose P0 use the critical section, completed execution and make the turn equal to 1. And made what? Turn equal to 1. It went for non-critical section. So P0 went for non-critical section. Suppose P1 is not at all interested to use the critical section. It might be busy with non-critical section only. Now what P0 made? P0 made the turn equal to 1. Is thinking that P1 can enter into critical section. But P1 saying that I am not interested to use the critical section. It might be busy with non-critical part. In this instant, please do understand, P0 again interested to use the critical section. P0 again immediately want to check the while condition, you want to use the critical section. Then what P0 will do? Again will come for entry section, loop while turn. What is the turn value? What is turn value currently? 1. So no, 1. 1 equal to 1. Correct. Condition is true. Yes or no? Turn value 1 is condition is true. When condition is true, it will go busy wait or not? Yes or no? Busy wait means do we have any process which is using critical section as of now? No. Because P1 was busy with non-critical part, so non-critical part, yes or no? Now it want to use the critical section. Now it is not allowed. See, it is not satisfying progression, right? So second condition, progress is not satisfied. Am I right? See, it is equivalent to strict alternate algorithm or not, except I made the condition turn not equal to 0 something. Little modification to the code of strict alternation. The strict alternation is not at all satisfied the mutual, progression, correct or not? So it is not satisfying progression. See, I told you when I continue this one, when turn equal to 1, process 1, 0 1 interested, so now it is not allowed. P1 is stopped by P0. Yes or no? So definitely it is not satisfying the progression. And by looking this, what about bounded weight? What about bounded weight? Whether it is satisfied or not? Yes, the bounded weight also guaranteed. See, any process is enter into critical section. Any process enter into critical section. After usage is making the tone value, correct or not? After usage making the tone equal to 1, it is also making tone equal to 0. So that means other process who is interested can enter, correct or not? See, once usage is over, it make the tone equal to 1. So other can, the process which is waiting outside the critical section can enter now. It will guarantee the mutual exclusion, it will guarantee the bounded weight, but it is violating what progression condition. So now based on this observation, read the options. Option is telling it is a correct synchronization solution. No. The solution violates the mutual exclusion. No, it is guaranteed. And the solution violates the progression. Yes. Option C is suitable for this question, ma. Option C is telling the solution is violating the progress requirement. Yes, correct. Option C correct for this question. I hope you are understanding. Please do copy properly so that we can see another question.